A very good and warm afternoon to everyone assembled here. Think of the great poetry, music and dance, and ritual that spring forth from our aspirations to a life beyond death. Maybe these are justifications sufficient for our hope and dreams.
It is my immense pleasure to welcome one and all to the 16th Fine Arts Day of St. Xavier's Catholic College of Engineering. With great delight and enthusiasm, I welcome you all to this wonderful time of the culmination and valediction of the fun, frolic, and fine arts.
Prayer is a moral law. It gives soul to the universe, wings to the minds, flight to the imagination, and charm and gaiety to life and everything. To chant the hymn of praise and the rhythm of holiness to the Almighty, I request our college choir to sing in fervor for us. Thank you, friends. We are indeed blessed.
We feel elated to be in the presence of such a distinguished and august gathering of great personalities. To share their elation and joy with us I would like to invite Mr. X. Askadevix, the Faculty Advisor, Fine Arts Club, to formally welcome the gathering.
It is good to be here on such a lovely afternoon. I am extremely honored to deliver the welcome address on this prestigious occasion. Today has been a wonderful day for us since the morning. The fine arts activities help the students to bring the talents hidden in the ingenious young minds' talents here. Our beloved correspondent, Reverend Father A. Jesumarian, has proved himself as an epitome for others to follow. He has been providing enlightenment for us. A warm welcome to you, Father. It is my immense pleasure to welcome the distinguished guest of the day, writer Ms. Malarvadi. She received Sahitya Akademi Award for her novel Thooppukari. It is an honor and privilege to have a Sahitya Akademi Award winner as our chief guest. I welcome you, ma'am, on behalf of everyone here. Our principal, Dr. S. Joseph Sager, is an able and industrious counselor whose guidance is valuable for the growth of our institution. He is here to felicitate the gathering. Hearty welcome to you, sir. I would like to extend my words of welcome to all the faculty and students of our Xaverian family. A warm welcome to everyone. I wish the time you spend here will be a memorable one.